Jan from the Southwest area has a question about leaky soffits.
Yeah, and she sent us some pictures, too. It's happening in 2 areas of her home. Jan writes, one of them is by the patio, and it's had 3 unsuccessful repairs since 2016 by a roofer where the roof is flat. And I like to say unsuccessful repair, so technically it wasn't
not a repair. No.
Right, it was an effort. All right, but here's what she's talking about, this area underneath here, where you can see the water stains underneath and all that. Anyway, a similar problem, she says, has now developed in the front of the house where a valley in the peak roof drains. So, Tom, Jan wonders if she should start by having a gutter company come check her gutters, or a roofer, or a handyman. What? Who should she get out first?
No, I think you need to call a roofer out to make sure the roof is clean and working right. Now, if it's a gutter problem, you can certainly call someone out to clean the gutters. I noticed the gutter in the picture there. It could be a gutter backing up, which means maybe it's dirty, maybe it's not draining properly, that kind of thing. But just because you called a roofer before 3 times and they didn't fix it, doesn't mean someone who knows what they're doing can't fix it.
But I think you've pretty much established that roofer can't fix it.
Exactly.
Right.
No, so call Ideal Roofing if it's this part of town or in Houston, Southwest, right? So Ideal Roofing is who I would call and let them troubleshoot the whole thing, because if it's a roofing problem, the gutter guy can't help you. If a roofer comes out and says it's a gutter problem, then you've got a little more direction to move.
Yeah, I imagine.
And Ideal Roofing handles gutters when it comes to repairs and stuff.
Oh, do they? Okay, great. All right, there you go. You got a question? People are happy to help you out as well. Go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these, and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.